Welcome to Good Life Tube with a new video. Hair fall is a common problem nowadays. It affects men and women equally, and it's bothersome for both of them. Genetics is one of the most important factors for hair health, but harsh environment, stress, and lack of proper nutrition are also significant reasons for it. Over-the-counter medicines and store-bought shampoos may have some effects, but they are expensive and come with added side effects. In this video, I'm going to tell you a natural treatment that has been used by people since old times for treating various hair-related issues. Guava leaves have been used in folk medicine for treating many conditions. One such condition is hair fall control. Guava leaves have analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties, which makes it one of the best scalp rinse for treating scalp-related issues. A good amount of B vitamins in guava leaves helps in the nourishment of damaged hair follicles, which improves hair growth. Guava leaves have plenty of vitamin C, which helps in boosting collagen activity, which results in boosting hair growth. It also helps in removing buildup and dirt from the scalp, which helps in unclogging the follicles, resulting in healthier and stronger hair. Apart from all this, it also makes your hair smooth and shiny. How to use guava leaves for hair fall control. You need a handful of guava leaves, 1 liter of water, a vessel, strainer. Steps: put the vessel on the stove and pour water in it. Bring it to boil. Put all the guava leaves in boiling water. Let it boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, strain the liquid and let it cool down. How to use. Wash your hair with mild shampoo using cold or lukewarm water. Dry your hair gently using a towel. Apply the guava leaf solution on your hair from roots till the ends. Massage your scalp gently as it improves the blood circulation. Once done, wrap a towel around your head and leave it for 2 hours. Rinse your hair with lukewarm water and avoid using a blow dryer for drying your hair. Repeat this process 3 times a week for best results. Natural methods take a little bit of time to show results. We suggest you try it for 4 weeks before coming to conclusions. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and you will be notified when we put out a new video.